Hi, my name is Bhishma Dedia and I'm a fourth year student in the electrical engineering department here at IIT Bombay. I'll be speaking a bit about my decision to change my branch at the end of the first year from energy dual to electrical engineering, and I'll be answering a few questions. So I first started toying with the idea of a branch change at the end of my first sem. I think during the winters between like the first sem and the second sem. And my interests in fresh year were I liked a lot of the courses that I did in fresh year, especially the math and the physics course. And in terms of extracurriculars, I was involved with a I was involved in a lot of technical activities on campus. So I was attending sessions by the electronics club and by WNCC and a lot of other different clubs, and I don't think they played like a direct role in my decision to change my branch, but what they helped me figure out was that I have strong technical interests and I really like diversity in the kind of things I'm pursuing. So I would enjoy diverse coursework. So a few things that I was looking for in a new branch was the first thing was when I entered ITB, I had already made up my mind that whatever I'll pursue a lot of breadth. So I want a lot of whatever I'll pursue a lot of diverse things, and elect in particular had this breadth to it because you can pursue things right from like device physics and semiconductor devices to communications to stochastic systems to machine learning and image processing and things like this, and people working both on the theoretical side and the applied side of it. And so the coursework in elec was very diverse, and that was one of the things that lured me to elec. And apart from this, I had also like kept this at the back of my mind that maybe in the future I'd want to pursue a career in research, and elec department has a lot of good research going on in all of these fields. And apart from that, the coursework looked like the coursework in elec looked like it would give me strong quantitative skills and in general give me an ability to think deeply and think deeply about hard problems. So that's what like made me settle on elec in particular. So I can't comment on the original branch like because I barely spent a sem in that branch, but I can definitely talk about my experience in elec as I changed my branch. So when I changed my branch, the next sem was not very smooth because you are exposed to a completely new environment, not just academically, but even the people around you are people you've not spent your entire first year with. So it was a bit difficult, getting getting properly settled into the branch. It was difficult like for the first month or so, and apart from that, coursework in general becomes hectic in second sem, in the third sem, but it was more even so in elec. And what I early on my early fear was that statistics showed that like people's CPIs go to a drastic drop in their second year after branch changing, and I actually worried about it a bit on like the first 15 to 20 days I was in elec, but eventually I got settled into the branch. And I mean what I thought was that, I mean, if according to statistics the CPI drop is inevitable, so I as well as like enjoy the coursework, and that is what I did in the end because I like the coursework. I like the coursework that I did in throughout my third sem, and even though like pursuing shifting into the new branch left me with a very little time to pursue a lot of extracurriculars that I was planning to do, I think it was worth it because the courses were extremely good, the labs were fun, and I mean maybe a lot of times hectic, but I mean the quality of the coursework and the things that I was pursuing made up more than enough for the things I was missing on. So I think I kind of answered this question already. ELEC is definitely one of the branches where there is a lot of research being done in a lot of different fields, both on the theoretical side and the applied side. So if you're someone who's wanting to do research and but has not zeroed down upon on what research you want to do, I think ELEC is a very good option because you can easily find you can easily find problems that you love working on. And apart from that, one good thing about ELEC, which I already said, was that the coursework will make sure that you learn to think critically and deeply about hard problems, and you really get those strong quantitative skills. And so eventually any field that you pursue in the future, ELEC will, or anything technical that you pursue in the future, ELEC will make sure that you are prepared enough to like challenge those problems. So but apart from that, the statistics are there, like placements and other stuff like that, and I think ELEC is doing pretty well in those terms too. And even in terms of like how many people go to grad school, so ELEC, I mean, a lot of people from ELEC who are going to pursue research or going to do higher studies are going to really prestigious grad schools into the future. And not just now, even like historically, a lot of people have gone to really prestigious places. So like I said, I wanted to do a research at the end of my first year. That it was at the back of my mind. So finally I'm going to like pursue that dream, and I'm going on to do a PhD, and I'll pursue my PhD at a grad school in US. So that's it.